Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Coinbase account. First, visit the Coinbase website or download their app. You will need to enter a valid email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, provide your full legal name and date of birth as they appear on your government ID. This initial step is quick and straightforward, getting you ready for the next stage of verification. After your initial registration, you'll need to verify your identity. First, check your email for a verification link and click it to confirm your address. Then, you'll be prompted to provide a phone number for two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security. Finally, upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, like a driver's license or passport. This step is crucial for compliance and to ensure the security of your account. Once your identity is verified, it's time to link a payment method. You can securely connect your bank account by providing your routing and account numbers. This allows for larger transactions and lower fees. Alternatively, you can add a debit card for instant purchases, though these may have different limits. Having multiple payment options provides flexibility, letting you choose the best method for your needs when buying or selling on the platform. With your account set up and funded, prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This critical step protects your assets. Now, take some time to explore the Coinbase platform, familiarize yourself with its interface, and understand the various features available for buying, selling, and managing your digital assets. Remember to check the description for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and other helpful deals. This book can truly change how you think about money, offering valuable insights for your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.